So guys, it's time to link your wallet. Make sure you are always claiming your Nodepay. You can see I'm already connected to my Nodepay right now. So just make sure you are connected to your Nodepay and you are making use of your mobile extension or your normal extension for your Nodepay. So let's go connect our wallet right now. So you go to earning. You won't be able to do this on your mobile phone if you are making use of your normal Chrome browser. But if you make use of Kiwi browser or so, you should be able to do this. So let me know if you want a video on how to do this on Kiwi browser. So just go to your Kiwi browser or on your laptop and click on earning. Then you can click on, so once you click on this, it's detecting all of these wallets. So I'll choose Phantom, and right here it wants to connect to my wallet. I'll click on connect, then I would agree to this. I'll verify, then it asks me to just click on confirm. Yeah, so I've signed. Now it wants me to confirm my wallet. Yeah, this is my email. So an email has been sent to me right now. All I just need to do is to confirm the email. So I'll be using my mobile phone to log into the email because I already have it logged in on my mobile phone instead of switching or logging in that email. So all I just need to do is just click on the confirm your wallet from in the email that was sent to you. Just click on confirm your wallet. Then so I don't think it worked when I did that, so I'll just copy the link, then I would paste it in this browser right here. So I copy the link right now and I've pasted it right here. So return to dashboard. So I've verified. This should go away, but I think it's just going to open another page. So let's go back to earnings, and yes, we are done verifying. So that is how to link your wallet to your Nodepay.